Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Today we're gonna do a 15-minute routine to feel great. Recently, I've been reading some of your comments on YouTube, and I've noticed that many of you guys have not been feeling your best. Maybe a little bit down, maybe your mood is slightly off, and generally feel a little unsettled and worried. I think we all do. So we all need a little bit of joy and positivity. So I hope this routine will help to lift your mood, to bring a little bit of joy and fun, and set you up for a great day. But before we begin, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to grow your practice online, join my membership site. I will put a link in this corner for you to go straight to the website. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. Stand up straight, relax and soften your whole body. Get grounded through your feet. Relax your tailbone and your lower back. And lengthen through your spine upwards. So the crown of the head is reaching towards the sky. Relax your neck and shoulders. And do a quick mental check from head to toe. Become aware of your entire body. And then we're going to rub the hands together. Then go ahead and massage your face. Relax the forehead between your eyebrows. Relax your mouth and your jaw. Then go ahead and slide to the back. 10 dragons surround you through the forest. This is the name of this exercise. A little bit behind the ears, down towards the neck. This helps to awaken the senses, so we can think clearer, feel sharper. Very, very good. Then go ahead and massage your ears. And let your hands relax down. Next, we're going to tap the back of the shoulder. Relax. Notice the sensations. Then the same on the other side. Tap in the muscle. Relax. Next, we're going to tap under the collarbone. To activate the energy, bring the energy to the lungs and heart. And then go down and tap your arm. Relax. Take a moment to notice how your body responds. Begin to awaken. Then we do the same on the other side, starting under the collarbone. Go down. Tap the back side. And relax. Then we're going to tap the chest, go up and down the center. And here we're going to take a nice big breath in. Inhale. And exhale out the mouth. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Relax the hands down. Already begin noticing what changed. The awareness and the space. Then go ahead and tap the kidneys. This area is called the doors of life. Activating that energy in your kidneys. And then just massage whichever feels comfortable. Like just circle around. Feel your lower back warming up. Then rub the tailbone. And relax. Next we're gonna tap the hips, then go down the sides of the legs. Stand up. One more time, tap. And stand up. Then bounce off to open and loosen up. Feel all your muscles relaxing, letting go. Feel your joint opening, loosening up. So you want to feel that space inside your body. Very, very good. Shake your legs to the side, rub your hands together. Already, I feel a lot better. Shake it off. Next, we're gonna do some breathing to open the chest and draw energy to the body. Bring your hands in. Take a nice deep breath in through your nose. Open, open, open. Exhale like a big wave flowing down your entire body. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. Stand a little taller, maybe come up on your toes. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Keep your knees comfortably bent. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just feel your whole body opening. Bring in fresh oxygen and energy to the brain and the body. Releasing all the negativity. And breathe in positivity. Relax, relax, relax. Soften all the way down from your head to your feet. Next, we're gonna do the hip rotation. So slowly enjoying the movement, enjoying the flow, and noticing the hip area. Very good. Then we're gonna go in the opposite direction. Circling around, relaxing into the movement. Same time, opening the channels that go over the legs. so the energy can travel freely up and down the body. Very good. And come back. Stand up straight. Keeping a good posture here. Notice how your body feels. Then we're going to raise the hands and sink down. Inhale here. And then as you exhale, we're going to come up on the toes and press upwards. Lengthening through the spine. Feel the space underneath your palms. Same time, stay grounded and connected through your feet. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Find softness and fluidity in the movement. Exhale. Stay relaxed and open. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Open, open, open. And then soften. Come back. Move around a little bit to loosen up if you need to. Relax here. Very good. The next movement, we're going to open the chest. Breathe in. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, go up. Open your chest to the sky, look up. Exhale, stand up straight and let your whole body relax. Breathe in. Feeling your entire chest and lungs. Breathe out, lengthening through the back. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax and soften here. And let this wave of relaxation, of warmth and movement just fill your entire body. Feel the energy circulating up and down your spine, going into your legs and arms. Your chest is nice and open. Your belly is relaxed. And you're aware of your entire body. You're here. You're present. You're in your body. Let your mind be still, calm. And if you feel good, smile to yourself. Just close your eyes and smile to how you feel. Thank yourself for turning up for this practice, for taking care of yourself and your body. and appreciate this moment. Let's take a nice full breath in to gather all the positive thoughts and just let them settle in, let them feel your entire body, feel the goodness that is still happening in this world every day. So breathe in, here and now, and then breathe out. Let it settle and fill you with safety, confidence, a sense of inner peace and harmony. Bring your feet together. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel better, a little bit more positive. So thank you, enjoy your day, and I'll see you soon.